guys, we're gonna be doing the whisper challenge today. We're gonna do it outside, but
in the car.
We're in the car. I came up with like 6 phrases and I'm gonna say them. I don't know. Did you even make up any?
Yeah.
Babe. Well, I have mine pre-written. Wanna go first?
The sliding is really good. Yeah.
Babe.
I'll go first.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Oh no.
I'm laughing already. Pancakes are better than waffles.
What?
Pancakes are better than waffles.
I like pancakes and waffles.
You're close. Pancakes are better than waffles.
I bake pancakes and waffles.
Pancakes are better than waffles.
My dad taught me how to make pancakes and waffles.
Where are you getting all of that? Better than waffles.
Mondays are better with waffles.
No, pancakes are better than waffles.
Wow. You ready? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Okay. Los Angeles Lakers are the best.
What?
Los Angeles Lakers are the best.
One more time.
Los Angeles Lakers are the best.
Los Angeles?
Angeles Lakers are the best.
Los Angeles have the... Los Angeles lakes are the best. They have the best lakes? What?
Angeles Lakers are the best.
Los Angeles lakes are the beast.
Los Angeles Lakers are the best.
Los Angeles liquors are the best.
Los Lakers are the best.
Oh.
What?
Yellow birds sing at night. Yellow birds sing at night.
Say it in a different tone.
Yellow birds sing at night.
I'm gonna get the clippers and cut your hair. You have the worst haircut.
Yellow birds sing at night.
I give up.
Yellow birds sing at night.
What? W's suck dick.
The fuck? What?
BMWs suck dick.
One more time.
W sucks dick.
What the hell are you saying?
BMW.
BMW.
BMW sucks dick.
BMW shift stick.
Sucks dick.
Are you saying dick? Say it again.
One more. Sucks dick.
BMW sucks dick? What? You're a dork.
They don't, by the way. They're the best cars ever.
Rainbows and butterflies.
The Wolfman ate some flies.
Rainbows and butterflies.
That's all I saw.
What? Rainbows and butterflies.
Spider-Man thinks he can fly.
Rainbows and butterflies.
Rainbows,
Mm-hmm.
right? You said rainbows?
Mm-hmm.
Rainbows come out in the sky.
Babe,
Baby.
you're done. Rainbows and butterflies.
Oh.
What do you mean?
You do have 1 point.
What did I guess?
BMW sucks dick.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
London on the beat.
What?
London on the beat.
Lick it off of me. Lick it.
London on the beat.
Linden on the P. From the P?
No.
London's from the P.
London.
London?
Beat.
London's gonna pee.
No.
I don't know.
One more.
On?
The beat.
One more time. London on the beat?
Yeah!
What the heck? Hey, that's not even what it said.
What does it say?
It's not London on the beat, is it?
I think it is.
We got London on the track.
On the
On
track.
the track. Not on the beat. No, I win. So guys, that was the whisper check. I hope you liked it. Thank you, baby. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some suggestions because we don't really know what to upload. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, should we do a eating hot Cheetos challenge or Takis challenge? We get 25 likes, we will do the hot Cheeto challenge next.
Yeah, so.
With a twist.
What twist?
You'll find out.
You're so weird. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Okay.